Good morning, good morning, good morning, dirty trucking, dirty trucking. Oh man, the games begin, the games begin. Uh, I still believe I think I looked it up. They call it a trap house, where they have a place that you move into already rigged to do shit, make noise, listen, watch you. And I believe this is a trap apartment. So, here's the thing. I was laying here asleep. It was before my alarm went off. I was laying here, sleep on the couch. And right here, around in this area, right there, is when I heard it. Now, I told y'all to watch that movie, Zero Day. I called it Ground Zero, but it's Zero Day. I told you to watch the movie Zero Day, where the former president was being some sort of covert something was being used on him, where he was hearing shit and where he was at and looking for where he was hearing the noise. So I told you, this individual is watching these videos and basing his actions and setting up the day off of what I say on these videos, what I write. He's been reading the text messages because when I came outside yesterday, I had a conversation with my son through text message. These people were out there talking about the stuff I was having in the conversation. You're sitting up taking my private conversations. You're watching me in this apartment. And now, it was a buzzing noise. And I thought it was my phone. So I reached up. I thought it was the alarm going off on my phone. So I reached up, but it wasn't the phone. The phone was on the coffee table. The phone was on the coffee table. There was a buzzing noise right over my head right here. Like in the arm of this couch. All that started after I disclosed that I heard that shit in my mattress and what I was hearing in the apartment when I stayed at Alden Towers. I told you, this individual is a copycat. Nothing he has is original. He got to use what I say to set up his day or something I talk about. He's listening to my conversation. I'm quite sure if he's listening in here and watching in here, you're watching me in the car and you're listening to the conversations in the car and you're eavesdropping on people's conversation. There was no reason I should have heard some sort of buzzing noise in the arm of this couch because I reached up because I thought it was my phone. This individual is playing games. He's a copycat. He's a fraudster. He's a joke because this motherfucker is doing shit off of shit I watch on TV. I noticed that when I be scrolling TikTok, they have certain videos in my streaming that for me to look at because that shit they setting up. They want me to look at this shit. They have certain programs on TV that they think I'm gonna watch. They have it on there for me to watch and they come out acting this shit out. This motherfucker is a fraud. He's a joke. I don't know who told him to do this motherfucking dumbass shit, but you was a fucking idiot. This shit you doing is not solving anything. You're doing nothing but causing problems. You're doing illegal shit. You've been breaking in this apartment. You've been eavesdropping. You've been listening to my thoughts. You've been stealing my ideas. You've been stealing from me. That's what you've been using this shit for. And now you think you're gonna use some covert shit, making some buzzing noise on my couch? Nigga, excuse me, damn, I slipped. Bitch, is you sick?